feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. We are living in a world where anything can go at any time. And if you ain't on the game, then I suggest you rearrange, cause change gon' come. And it ain't waiting on no one. I used to be a hard head, mama, had this. The simple setting while we smoked on the clean head. The couch was a nigga bed, and we kept a nigga fed. 21st in that year, that's what a nigga live. Come on, G, ain't we broke the D. Why? Cause they were on the home Jesus. And just cause they didn't know what. Come on, I'm motherfucking mission. Come on, come on. I feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up. We feel like giving it up. We are living in a world where anything can go at any time. And if you ain't on the game, then I suggest you rearrange, cause change gon' come. And it ain't waiting on no one. They got me fighting from the bottom, but they got me no stopping. And all I want for Christmas is to stay up. And it's not too much to ask for. And I put it through the inside, you was gonna get some help. So you get your phone, take it to Daddy Rap, cause he's a professional. Garrett, to get your shit up on the floor. Big city ride, for sure. See, that's what Flo said it's all. Just tired as rider, we coming it out. Bouncing, swerving, and fucking cute. Dog pound up the moon, shining up the sun. I feel like giving it up, we feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up, we feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up, we feel like giving it up. I feel like giving it up, we feel like giving it up. How do you get my family? I cannot be patient. They ain't the ones who gon' be riding to the station. So it all boils down to just some inspiration, interpretation, and conversation you had with the judge of all judges. Touch this and put it in perspective. All places do true. We are living in a world where anything can go at any time. And if you ain't on the game, then I suggest you rearrange, cause change gon' come. And it ain't waiting on no one. All the drama I done went through to get this to you. How did you know? You didn't listening since I asked y'all to sleep with me. You couldn't be, cause episodes of CCP, LB, it's crying on my chest. Hold me down the watch with a shot of what extra drink and a choker for the choker. Check my shoes off my toes and keep me singing y'all deep and y'all when y'all face it on times. Living it up, so y'all again, and you know